If you've got a clothes washer in your house, you have no idea how easy it is to get a flood because of this. First and foremost, you've got two hoses back here. One is hot, one is cold. These hoses could develop leaks. They could also burst and cause a flood that really makes a mess. The other thing is that it is full of water. And when it's through its rinse cycle at the end, and it's draining all that water, it comes down this pipe and down that drain. Well, that drain could back up, and that could cause a mess. I mean, you're talking lots of water coming out of here, and just coming out at force, too. Now, if you're into smart home technology, come on, you could get leak sensors. So this is a YoLink leak sensor. I have 8 of them around my house. And I installed these in my old house, and I also installed this thing called a bulldog valve. This goes on my water main, and if I detected a leak anywhere in the house, I could turn the water main off. Unfortunately, this only works with ball valves that take a quarter turn to turn them off, and I have a gate valve that this won't work with. Not today, anyway. I'm looking to get it changed, though. So these things work collectively with a hub. This is a YoLink hub, and they use this protocol called LoRa. It's a radio-controlled, communications between them, and it works really long range, up to like a quarter of a mile. So that's one of the reasons why I like it, and it's completely separate from your Wi-Fi and completely separate from anything else you have in the house. So these things just work together. And that's a really cool system. I did a video on this in my old house, and I will link to it up there. Now, the speaker hub is really pretty cool because it actually talks to you. Listen.
Subscribe to HandyDadTV or else.
If I have, like for example, a leak in my laundry room, I'm just going to wet my finger and just put it across these contacts. And there you go.
Leak detected in the laundry room.
You can see it here. I get a notification, it announces it, and I could have this take action. So the sensors and the bulldog valve can work together to turn off the house water if it detects a leak, but it doesn't solve the problem if the drain is backed up. What can I do about that? Well, YoLink makes a smart plug. All right, so this is what the YoLink smart plug looks like. It looks pretty much like any other smart plug. And it's got a power button on the side and a little LED indicator, as well as a QR code. And that's how I'm going to set it up, is I'm going to plug it in here. And I've got a light bulb here that I can test it out with. Now, what I need to do is pair it with the app. I need to scan the QR code, and I'm going to call this. Okay, you can see I set it up here in my app, and I named it Washer. And now I can click that button, and it turns the light on. And I can click it again, and it turns it off. Now, I can set up an automation in the app that says, when this detects water, turn off this plug. I can do that in the app, but I can go one better. You can actually, with YoLink, you can make it so that these two things talk directly, and I don't need the hub at all. So if my internet is out or the hub is malfunctioning, I know this will still work. So the way to do that is I'm going to press this little set button down the bottom and hold it until it starts blinking. And then I'm going to hold this until it's blinking. All right, that should be set now. Good. Now I'm going to turn this on as if the washing machine was working. And then I'm going to use my wet finger to hit this. And look at that. It goes off automatically. I love it. So that is now connected. So now I'm just going to hook this up to the washing machine and put this back behind it. All right. That's back there as far as it's going to go. And I have my plug installed here. Now this smart plug works up to 10 amps, which is fine for this washer and probably for most washers, but it won't do really big loads like heaters and things like that. But now I should be protected, and I put a little label on there for my family to know that blue means it's on, and if that's red, that means it's off. So now I am protected and I can sleep at night. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDad.tv for more great ideas and information.